to our video. Today we will share about vegan sweet potato and chickpea curry. This delightful curry is a testament to the incredible taste and nourishment that plant-based cooking can offer. Let's dive into the video. Wait! Before starting the vegan meal plan video, I introduce you with Alpha-Lean, which will help you to lose weight naturally. For more details, click the link in the video description below. Ingredients: 2 medium sweet potatoes, peeled and cubed, 1 can chickpeas, drained and rinsed, 1 onion chopped, 2 cloves garlic, minced, 1 can of coconut milk, 2 tablespoons curry powder, 1 teaspoon cumin, 1 teaspoon paprika, salt and pepper to taste, fresh cilantro for garnish. In a large pot, sauté the onion and garlic until softened. Add the sweet potatoes, chickpeas, coconut milk, and spices. Simmer for 20-25 minutes, or until sweet potatoes are tender. Season with salt and pepper, then garnish with fresh cilantro. Serve with rice or naan. For more vegan recipes, click the link in the video description below. Thanks for watching. To view more exciting videos like this, please hit the like button, comment us, share with your friend, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel.